You don't need a gym to transform your body. You just need 10 minutes and the will to start. Because the truth is, the body you want isn't built with excuses. It's built right here, right now, with moves that ignite every muscle and burn through fat like fire. This 10-minute full-body fat-burning workout is designed to sculpt lean muscle, torch calories, and reprogram your mindset for consistency. You'll push, move, and breathe your way to the version of yourself you always wanted. Most people quit because they think transformation needs hours at the gym or fancy machines. But here's the hard truth. If you can't control your body for 10 minutes, you'll never control it for 60. This is your test, your fight against laziness, doubt, and every excuse that's held you back. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, knees soft, and hinge slightly forward. Shuffle quickly to the right, stay low, then tap your right knee with your left hand. Now shuffle to the left. Tap your left knee with your right hand. Feel your core fire and legs burn. Stay light, stay focused. Drop into plank, hands under shoulders. Drive your knees toward your chest, one at a time, like you're running from weakness itself. Keep your hips low, abs tight, and push the floor away. Feel the fire spreading through your core. Squat low, then explode up. Twist your torso to the right. Lift your knee high and meet it with your palms. Reset, squat again and twist to the left. Each rep builds coordination, strength and power through your legs and core. Hop lightly on your left foot, lift your right knee, tap it with both hands. Switch fast. Each switch fuels your heart rate and melts fat faster than any treadmill ever could. Step back into a reverse lunge. Lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Arms come up in front. Feel that stretch, that balance, that burn. Then rise tall. Switch legs. Stay controlled. Now into push-up position. Lower your chest slow. 3 seconds down. Control every inch. Explode back up like your comeback depends on it. This is pure strength, pure discipline. Lie flat on your back. Arms up, knees at 90 degrees. Extend one leg while dropping the opposite arm overhead. Bring them back and repeat on the other side. Your abs will scream. That's how you know it's working. In plank position, jump both feet out and in. It's like a jumping jack, but on fire. Keep your body straight, your abs locked, and your focus unbreakable. Raise your right knee to your left elbow. Twist, crunch, connect. Then punch forward with power. Switch sides and attack again. This move trains your core, coordination, and confidence. Stand tall, arms overhead. Now bend forward. Sweep your arms down across your thigh as your opposite leg crosses behind. Alternate sides, fluid, controlled, strong. This sculpts your obliques and legs together. Start in downward dog. Hips high, hands firm. Lift one leg up, then the other. Controlled lifts, powerful glutes. Your whole posterior chain comes alive here. Stand tall, narrow stance. Jump, arms overhead, then bring them behind your head. Twist your elbow to the opposite knee. Alternate sides. This is your final round. Give it everything. And that's it, your 10-minute fat-burning workout complete. No gym, no excuses. Remember, it's not the time you have, it's how you use it. Do this daily and your future self will thank you.